How do you get from these fantastic but old and falling to bits headphones to these amazing headphones? Let's find out. Well, the first thing you need to do is go and see these people. At least go to their website. They have a good selection of headphones, and you can find the headphones you've got, find out the style you want. They've got loads of different styles. Order it and it comes in a couple of days. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Wicked Cushions. I'm not affiliated with the Wicked Cushions, but I will put a link just because I think they're an awesome company and they make a great product. My headphones may not be the best on the market, but I've been using them for years and I know what they sound like. The headband is almost completely worn away and the ear pads are getting close. The problem with me is I shave my head, and so all that tiny little stubble is scratching on your headphones every time you put them on, and they don't last quite as long as they're supposed to. So for the headband, I got a new headband cover from Wicked Cushions. I would have preferred orange myself, but I still like the red design and the colour is on brand for my voiceover business. And it just zips up over the headband. Couldn't be simpler. Full disclosure, I already had this bit. The headband went quite a while ago. It's just occurred to me, is the zip supposed to be on the top or on the inside? I put it on the top because I thought on the inside it's going to bother my head. But now I'm not so sure. What do you think? So, what's in the bag? Personally, I would prefer non-plastic packaging, but what can you do? In the bag, you get 2 ear pads, as expected, and a couple of cards, one with a QR code for the installation tutorial, and the other has a discount code. Nice. Do you have googly eyes on your headphones? I do. More things should have googly eyes on them, don't you think? Now, because I already had the red one, I ordered the red cushions as well, and I gotta say, they are, quite frankly, a perfect fit. The ones I've got are cooling headphones. Cooling headphones, cooling cushions. Blah, blah, blah. But they fit perfectly, easy to put on. So how do you put them on? Surprise, surprise, the first thing you need to do is take off the old pads, which is easy enough. You just pull them off to reveal the business end. Then you take your shiny new Wicked cushion and you need to get the flap on the ear pad into the gap you can see on the headphones. It's not difficult to do, but it can get a little bit frustrating if it keeps popping out. So once you've got the first part of the flap in the gap, keep your finger or thumb on it to stop it popping out as you work your way around, which I seem to be doing out of shot, which is very useful. As you can see, if you can get a finger inside and pinch the ear pad a bit, it will stretch a little and you can kind of lift it over and into the gap as you go round. Once you're halfway around, make sure you keep hold of both sides or it will start slipping off and you'll get really annoyed if it does it at this point. And you'll eventually get the last bit of the flap in the gap, and at that moment you will feel an overwhelming sense of achievement and relief. And then you just repeat the process on the other side. Bosh! Job done. I mean, I have used quite a few different headphone pads. I actually bought some different ones, which are supposed to be for these, but they're much bigger, much fatter, and quite frankly, they make my head sweat because they're so warm when they're on there. But these are just, I mean, it's just different world. Different world. Absolutely fantastic. If you've enjoyed this little run through of Wicked Cushions, don't forget to like and subscribe. All I've got to do now is plug them in and use them. And you can watch this video next. In the course of this video, I've put on and taken off these pads so many times, just, you know, to get the right shot and stuff. And it's really not that difficult at all. It's really quite simple. In fact, that has taken me the time it's taken to tell you that to put one on.